So this morning, guys, it's raining, and the plan was to go out to my dad's place and do some mowing and try and do the second horticulture video, but it doesn't look like I'll be able to do that, so I'm just gonna stay here and get some artwork and music done for the Fat One EP. Those guys out there been using their chainsaws for like the last 2 hours, but they're nearly done, so it's good. I am working on my light painting picture for Monday's vlog. Well, not really for the vlog, it's for
There you go, it's cleared up. Maybe I'll do something after it.
Or maybe I won't. It's a lovely day to do something, but I've been in my office all day. Kind of tempted to go up to the lookout and do like, take some photos.
That gutter needs that cleaning out a bit before it rains.
That's one way to get rid of my mum, is start filming her. Wants me to clean this out. This will make great compost. So rather than going out in the rain, I thought I would just challenge myself to try and capture some of the reflections and the glistening effect that the rain can have on certain surfaces. Out the front of my place we've got some river rocks which are kind of smooth and have this nice shimmering glossy effect when they are wet. And I'm just trying to find different interesting compositions within those, and maybe different little pools of water. You want bird. Take a photo of you. Now one of them's over near my compost. That's pretty good. It's chicken, tomato and basil ravioli with roasted vegetable sauce, mushrooms, broccoli, beans and zucchini. So guys, earlier this morning I finished making this picture. And right now I'm gonna learn how to do little planets like the circle photographs, and because I'm just curious to see whether or not it's going to work with that. It might not, but we'll see. I just did the effect and it looks like a face. Oh my god. Hold on. Exposure compensation. I'm slowly getting there, guys. It's 10 o'clock now. I'm gonna go have some dinner, but what I've basically had to do is create 180 layers of the hue saturation adjustment layer, and then get each one and adjust it in a timeline so that the frames are all, I'll stop that because I haven't finished it yet. That's not what it's going to look like. But like each of these frames starts one after the other. So what it's going to do is it's going to play through every single one, but now I've got to go through, cut the ends off, and then for each single one, what I'll do is come over to this hue part, and then I can select the value and then adjust it. Then each one, as it goes through, it'll start at minus 180, then the next one will be minus 178, and then it'll go up by 2, so that by the end of it, it'll be plus 180, which is effectively the same because it's kind of like a circle, like in the degrees. So hopefully by the time it gets to the end, then it'll loop, and it'll just do an infinite loop, and then I can make the GIF and it'll look spectacular, hopefully. Just in the middle of dinner now, and I just finished moving the tail end of each timeline piece over. Took about 20 minutes. So I've probably worked at about an hour already on this GIF. Whoa. So this is basically the process of it. I just go up to the next layer, come up to the hue value, type in, well, this one's minus 166, enter, go to the next one, plus 2, minus 164, enter. So I do that 180 times until I've got a full sort of loop. Ice cream, do you want to come and have a look? No, she's camping out.